Well, hey there, getting ready to put this pump in, and went ahead and pulled my valve off there and unloader, I guess. I'm not even sure what valve the hell the name of it is, but at any rate, and then drained all the water out of the coil. And I figured to show you the nastiness that just came out of this thing. So I got this semi-transparent gook that came out at first, so I figured I'd flush it. And I blew the rest of it out through the air. Now, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see, but that's semi-clear. That's just nasty. And I wish I had smell-o-vision. It smells quite skunky, I guess you could say. But so that's nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and get the pump, and we'll go ahead and slip her back in here real quick. Take you up here. Sorry about my camera skills. I don't have any. We'll set you guys over here. Yeah, that should work. Alrighty, I'll go get the pump. I'll be right back. Oh, good God. Didn't waste time. Alright, back in its home. And hopefully no leaks this time. That would be awesome. I would be extremely happy if that was the case. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. I will be back shortly.